Welcome to the Side Hustle, students. It's time to turn that tight budget into a tight business plan. 1. Launch into freelancing. From graphic design to content writing, your skills are a goldmine. 2. Get a part-time job. Gain experience and earn cash. 3. Sell your notes. Your academic excellence could be someone else's lifeline. 4. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. Share your passion, build your audience. 5. Tutoring. You're already acing your classes, why not profit from it? 6. Participate in paid surveys or sign up for affiliate marketing. 7. Rent out your stuff. Yes, even that old bicycle collecting dust. 8. Create and sell an online course. You've got knowledge, share it. 9. Invest. Remember our previous video on investment options? It's time to put them to work. And 10. Follow the successful. Emulate, learn, and grow. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the journey, the learning, and the growth. Start now, reap later. See you at the top.